Alright, so I look like the hottest mess on the planet right now. Ignore my face, I got scratched by my cat. And my face has been breaking out. But anyway, so I'm going to show you guys really quickly how I pretty much installed the hair, or got the hair into mine. That makes sense. This is really not a tutorial per se. If you guys want a more in-depth video on how to, you know, do single braids, or how to actually attach the hair, I can definitely do one for beginners, because this is honestly my first time doing this and actually getting somewhere. So it's not that hard, and it's flame retardant. I cut the hair in half. I cut the whole pack in half, and then I went about that. So this is my section. I didn't touch the ends. The ends are just how they are. I'm going to be using some gel. I'm using right now, pretty much because I have it on hand, I'm using the EcoStyler Cannabis Sativa Oil, Black Castor Oil, Olive Oil Gel. This right here. And I'm just going to take just a little bit. Like, it doesn't even have to be a lot. And I'm going to just run that down and continue to braid. So my braids are finished. Now it's time to take care of these raggedy, zaggedy, scraggedy ends. Beard, okay. So now what I'm gonna do, now that this is a little more sleek, damn, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prep for bed. I'm going to try to lay these hairs down, trying to just, you know, make it look cute, make it look nice, okay? Ooh. Ooh. All right. Okay. So my final step, the last thing I'm going to do. That's it. And now you're ready to sleep. See you in the morning. All right. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.